my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a cutie. This is a Janet Collection wig. I got this wig because I was inspired by Janet Collection's Kiss Part Orbit, I think, in the color Diamond. And this particular wig comes in the same color. But let's talk about her. This is the Janet Collection Princess Lace wig, okay, and it's Sky. And it is a 4x4 lace parting. After I do this part, there are clips of me getting her together. When you have a free parting where you can sort of part it anywhere you want to, it does take a little bit of time to get it set where you want. I have her in the color Chocolate. This is that color Diamond. And below will be linked to my Janet Collection playlist, and you can find her in there. That color was sold out, but she is heat safe up to 360 degrees. And there you can see there, you can part it any way you want because you do have lace from here to here and then from here to here. Okay, it did come with baby hairs. It says hand-tied lace frontal, free parting. You can do an updo with it, natural styling. And I got her from Diva Trust for $24.97. Let's talk about her. I really love this wig. It's weird that the color's name is Chocolate. It is this beautiful number 4 based brown, but you do have, if you can see, this like purple in here, which is interesting for a chocolate color. But yeah, the cap, I have her kind of tightened not pretty tight, but rather tight. So this can work for someone who's needing a larger wig cap. This is a light yaki texture. There's some beautiful luster to it. It may appear shiny in my lights, but it's not shiny in the way of like looking fake necessarily. I am losing a little bit of hair, but I hacked into the side of the lace a little bit, so that's not from like shedding. It's got this beautiful sort of soft wave. You can see that purple in there. The density is really nice. It's very, very realistic. This would be a multicultural wig for sure. This is all the hair to the front, so she's going to be in that sort of 18-ish range. It does definitely sort of taper down. Let's look at her from the back. Okay. Yeah, she's got beautiful, beautiful movement from the back. Definitely cute. So cute. Yeah, I really, really like this wig. I actually got another wig. I don't remember what her name is, but she's exactly like this, but shorter. I think she's shorter. So you'll be seeing that. So I also reviewed a similar wig named Annie, and she was pretty much the same exact wig, but much longer. So if you like this style of wig, I think any of these so far, Annie, Sky, Kiss Part Orbit is the same wig, but it was a full cap wig and it's an older wig, so I think this was just their sort of lace front version. But that's all I have to say about this wig. I really enjoy this wig. It's versatile because you can kind of, you know, customize it if you wanted it to be at this type of part, a center part, any way you wanted to, you could do that. I like just the little peekaboo colors in here. Gives it a little something if you don't want to go just brown, but you don't want to venture out too crazy, and it's still good for like an everyday situation. So if you have this wig and you have some thoughts, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Janet Collection wig you would like me to review, check my playlist out to make sure that I didn't already review it, and then put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.